Hey y'all, welcome to Ellis Explores. If you're into travel, the outdoors, life in California, or just our very cute puppy BB, we'd appreciate you hitting the like and subscribe button. So listen, we've all been quarantined for like 9 or 10 months at this point, debating how do we go out, how do we stay safe, and can we have a vacation while we do it? So this video is about a beautiful, fun road trip we took through California. Enjoy this video. We kick off our road trip with a 12-hour drive to Redwood National Park. Team Ellis had a great time in Redwood National Park. I can't say enough good things about it. We took Avenue of the Giants back down south to San Francisco. It's a longer drive right next to the highway, but beautiful stops along the way. When we got to SF, most things were starting to close down. But as always, national parks to the rescue. So we headed over to Alcatraz. We got our next passport stamp at Alcatraz. Unfortunately, we planned to go to Pinnacles National Park, but a large portion of it was closed down due to coronavirus. So we shifted gears like any good road trippers and drove from Santa Cruz all the way down to Santa Barbara nonstop. So we're just driving through Big Sur right now, and we are enjoying the views, especially BB, right Beebs? We picked up a vegan pumpkin something coconut cookie, and it is like a 2-inch thick cookie. We're looking forward to it. Cookies on the outside, candied ginger on the outside, and the inside is filled with chocolate and pumpkin ganache. It's really good. What have you and your family been doing outdoors during quarantine? Leave me a comment so my family can try it out too. Let's get into some more detail to help you plan your version of this trip. So starting on day 1, we did a 1-day trip to Redwood National Park, but we probably recommend you do 2. One good restaurant call out for you is Los Bagels. Pretty good spot. Day 2 was mostly driving for us, so here's day 3. We definitely recommend going to Alcatraz. We felt really safe on the boat ride. If you have dogs, we recommend the Laurel Inn in San Francisco. So after SF, we drove down to Santa Cruz for a couple of nights and stayed at the Hotel Paradox. Hotel Paradox was really convenient, clean, we felt safe the whole time, and they were super dog friendly. BB had a great time there too. In Santa Cruz, we had 2 delicious meals. The first being Cafe Gratitude, a great vegan spot, and the second is a good Korean takeout spot called Hom Korean Kitchen. Check them out. Honestly, day 6 of this drive had so many highlights that deserved more time, but here's a few things we loved. Carmel by the Sea, tons of great cafes to stop by in the morning, and a wonderful dog beach where BB ran around for an hour. South of Carmel by the Sea on Highway 1 was Coast Cafe and Gallery. That's where we got that killer cookie sandwich. We recommend you check it out for the art, the layout of the place, really cool vibe, really relaxing. So in Santa Barbara's Hotel Indigo, in that lobby, they have a really great Mexican restaurant called Santo Mezcal. Cocktails are great, food is great, but what I really loved about Hotel Indigo, our room had a back patio where we could hang out, have dinner, drinks, and BB could party as well. Quick tips from our trip. Usually visiting a big city is a great highlight of any trip, but there's not much you can do safely right now in a big city like San Francisco. So I recommend reducing your time there. Tip 1B is to focus on the outdoors instead. Tip number 2. This is always common sense, but the only reason we were able to adjust our road trip on the fly was because we had great cancellation policies everywhere we booked. And maybe my most important tip is number 3, support small business. These small businesses need our help. But more importantly for you, it's actually about having fun, experiencing something local, trying local flavors and dishes. We've got more details in another video about BB's experience on this trip and recommendations for where any dog lover could take their dog to have fun. Like and subscribe to see more from Ellis Explorers. See you next time.